What up, people? So in this video I want to talk about if eBay dropshipping is banned for life from the UK. So basically, first of all, my name is Alexander. If you are new to this channel is about dropshipping on eBay UK and eBay generally, making money online. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe. So the video is about, I saw like all like the people that I also follow, like Ty, Ecom Tom, Dropship Tyler, and Paul J. Lipsky. Okay, so I was like, I'm following them, and I saw the video that they did. Okay, that Tyler received a message from eBay saying bye bye in nice words because he's a dropshipper. So I saw also Andrew on the call that he is from the UK, and like Tyler asked him if he received something like that in the UK. So basically, I do know some people that received that message on eBay.com, but I think that it is in the UK. Like, I never heard someone that received that kind of message. So I guess in the UK market we are still not being flagged or something like that. But you need to understand that you always have a solution, you always have a way, because eBay knows that we are drop shippers and they have a lot of their income is based on us. Okay, we are paying a lot of money to them, to eBay. Okay, bless you, this is my dog. So you are making a lot of money to eBay, and you need to understand that a lot of their income is drop shipping, and you can see that people still drop ship. Okay, because if they they would want to like remove all the drop shippers, they can do it in one day. Okay, so don't panic about it, and don't think that because someone received that message that your account will be also flagged and eBay is doomed or something like that. Okay, there's still a lot of money to be made, and you can still continue drop shipping on eBay. In eBay UK, I think that the problem is much less than the eBay.com, because eBay.com is I think too saturated, and but there's still money to be made, and I hope that in the UK we will not have this kind of problem, and at least not for the like for the current time. But still, like I suggest, like a solution for that, okay, can be like smart people. Like if you ask like the most biggest entrepreneurs and like the richest people in the planet, every one of them have multiple sources of income. And let's take this to eBay. Okay, for example, so if you have, like, I have 3 stores, all the 3 stores are linked. Okay, so what it means linked, that I use the same name, the same PayPal, and the same IP address, and everything is the same, and I'm fine with that. But my plan is not to leave it as it is, and because the problems that I can see in the United States, I want to also open also more UK accounts that are not linked. Okay, so it means from a different IP address, from a different name, a different business. I can open another LTD and do the same thing with a different company, and I will be like a different person and do that with a different IP address, and that's it, and my account will not be linked. So if something happens to my first account, okay, and all the accounts that are linked, it's okay, because I still have the other accounts that are consistently making me money. If you want, like, that I will do a video about linked and unlinked accounts, just leave your comment below. I will do that video for you. And basically that's it. Just continue selling, continue. Just I guess you need to be more careful about your activities. Like do not like bulk post like hundreds of thousand items, and try to more list good items, and like see what you are listing in your store, that it will not have a lot of zero items, not that you will not be below standard seller. Like try to maintain your like the accounts that you already have, or account, as best as possible. And this way I guess you will like I guess that the chance for you to be flagged is much less. But for now in the UK, everything is fine. I didn't heard anyone that received that kind of message. So for now everything is fine, and I will update you about it if we will hear something new. So thank you for watching, guys. If this video is helpful for you, if you find this video interested, you are interested about dropshipping on eBay UK, ebay.com, please consider to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys.